in real estate?
So with AAA, lesson learned there, AAA, insurance is boring overall, but people go to AAA for things like traveling, and they go there for their DMV and automotive services. So the consumer's expectation of what AAA is going to offer them is really, really high. And what I learned there is just to deliver that top-notch customer service. With Disney, a little bit different. It was all about the magical experience. And we learned the art of storytelling. Mr. Walt Disney was a master storyteller. The Disney Institute is big on business strategies, using a storytelling process. It's really just creating a narrative that's really specific and is emotional to the client in front of you, to create this experience that will keep people coming back to you to see you deliver that over and over again and become better at it.
I think that's great advice for anyone in sales, to be able to master the art of storytelling.